Hi, this is Giancarlo, and thanks for agreeing to run a version of the Connect EDU room. Everything you need is going to be contained in this Excel sheet that you're looking at. So just to give you a guide of the Excel sheet quickly. First page is just some general guidelines. I tried to put down kind of the spirit of what I usually do, and also broke down what I do to set up the room, the title, the description, as well as during the session, kind of different roles. I strongly encourage you to have more than one moderator help you out, and so having a team of 3 or 4 is great, and you'll see why in the description. But other things in the Excel sheet, of course, there's a group of us that are running these rooms, and so we're going to want to always look out for ways in which we can connect the audience to those of us. And so there'll be a list. This is going to be populated, so it's not filled right now, but with just different people that are running the room. And of course, we're going to point people in the direction as well. This is where you're going to capture people that come on stage. So only people who come on stage capture the details there. They're high school teachers, or they're an entrepreneur, whatever their role is, put it there. When they state what they need help, what they're looking for, just very briefly, just the key words, so that it's searchable. And as well, if they say, hey, look, I'm looking to help people because I have expertise in searching algorithms in LinkedIn, we just state that there, and that just makes it searchable for people. Sometimes your room, you might need, might be quiet and other people are on stage. And so you can ask people on stage to tell you why they got into education. And that's always a good conversation starter. So if you do end up doing that, do write down just briefly a bit about context there. And then of course, for every person, just write down what are the key topics or areas that this person is connected to. Just state it there. If you want, what I do sometimes, if I do connect this person to someone, I'll write something like done there, just showing that, yeah, I've connected this person to someone. You don't have to do that though. The other piece as well, it's always great to keep track of who's capturing the info. So put your name here, the day of the week that you ran this session, so Monday to Friday to Sunday, what day it is, and then this will automatically fill out. But what you do, let's say you could change the top here, obviously, depending on what time you run this room. It's always good to pick a regular scheduled time. So let's say you start at 8, and when you start the room, there's only like 2 people. Then by 8:10, there's like 15 people. So it's always good to kind of track, and then you can see how it's tracking over time. And then if the numbers go down or go up, as a group, we'll kind of learn from each other what's working, what's not working. It's just a great way of taking a look at our data. So that's it. That's just a summary of it. Anything else, feel free to message me. You know how to find me.